Want to play Fortnite on your PC? Here's the fastest way to download and install it. Let's go. First, open Google and type download Fortnite. Click on the official Fortnite website. Once you're on the site, click the download button. This will download the Epic Games Launcher, which you need to install Fortnite. Now, open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps to install Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Once installed, open the launcher, log into your Epic Games account, search for Fortnite, and click Install. That's it. Fortnite is now downloading. Once installed, you're ready to play. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more quick tutorials.